What about operating systems? What are the supported operating systems for installing Oracle Database 12c? Well, we have Microsoft Windows. Oracle does a pretty good job, actually, of supporting Windows. There was a time that Oracle was considered just principally a Unix Linux database, and Windows support was essentially an afterthought. And yes, there's ego. I've made reference to this in the fundamentals course here at Pluralsight, that you'll run across some arrogant Oracle admins who are very disdainful of Microsoft and Windows. Please try not to be that kind of person. It's not really becoming, in my humble opinion. But at any rate, Oracle has increasingly adopted Windows to the point where it's actually easier and less of a headache to install Oracle Database on Windows than it is on Linux, believe it or not. Obviously, Oracle has a huge stake in Linux because Linux is an example of FOSS, free and open source software, and it's a good operating system, especially Oracle's own distribution of Linux, Oracle Linux. That's actually what I'm going to show you in the upcoming demo, and actually upcoming in this course, we'll do an installation of Oracle on Oracle Linux 6. Oracle also, as a result of its Sun acquisition, inherited Solaris, which is a Unix operating system that's come a long way. It looks and acts a lot like Oracle Linux, especially if you install the GNOME desktop shell. Oracle is supported on Hewlett-Packard's Unix, that's HPUX. This makes sense. Remember what I said earlier about Oracle database appliances, that HP used to be the vendor? AIX is IBM's proprietary Unix operating system. And speaking of IBM, they also have Z-Linux 64. So there's broad spectrum coverage for Unix and Linux and Microsoft Windows. Conspicuously absent on this list is OS X. Some folks are in a lather that we don't have support for Apple's Mac OS, or it's officially called OS X nowadays. They dropped the Mac a few years ago. If you do some research online, you'll find some people hacking around getting Oracle Database to work on OS X. I'm actually not sure why Oracle doesn't support OS X. Maybe there's not enough of a market footprint for it, but be aware of that going forward. I know that's bound to disappoint some of you.